Hi, this is Mark Gupp with Keller Williams Realty, and I'm standing in front of the community garden in South Portland, and we are a stone's throw from my new listing at 832 Sawyer Street. It is a surprisingly quiet location. It's a great house, 4 bedrooms, 2.5 baths with an in-ground pool and a pool house. You're absolutely going to love it. Let's go take a look. One of the things that I like about this house, most of all, is the neighbors couldn't be any friendlier. And across the street, there are no neighbors at all. It's the community center, and it's usually quite quiet over there. So you are going to absolutely love this place. Let's go inside and take a look. And I don't have Opal with me, but we might meet 2 other very cute dogs on the video. Most important part of the video is Franny. I don't think you're going to find a cuter dog, maybe Oba, but Franny is adorable. So let's take a look at this house. I think one of the things you'll notice is it's got great natural light, wonderful circular floor plan, and great for entertaining. So to the left, you've got this front to back living room with plenty of wall space for art. You've got your fireplace here. And we'll go outside afterwards, but there's a nice deck out here as we circle around. This leads into the living room, or into the kitchen, excuse me. Leads into the kitchen. Lots of counter space, beautiful granite countertops. You've got the beadboard faced cabinetry, wine fridge, good sized eat-in kitchen space here, glass tiles, you know, it's just a really nice property. And we're going to circle back in front of the into the dining room here. Into the dining room, so you can fit a nice big dining space there. And you've got your home office over here. With an electric burning fireplace. Why don't we head upstairs and then we'll see the bedrooms. Oh, you know what? I forgot to show you. Before we do that, we have a full bath down here as well. So you got a full bath, stand-up shower, and a nice vanity. And you'll see this door leads out right outside the bathroom. We have a door that leads out to the back deck area and the pool, but we'll see that at the end of the video. At the top of the steps, you've got, you'll see we're going to start out to the left. You've got a bedroom over here. They're using it as a little dressing room space, but it certainly is plenty big for a twin bed and a dresser. You have a nice closet here as well. Then you have your bathroom here, and this is a nicely updated bath with a tub surround, and you've got your ceramic tile in here. And as we circle around, we have this bedroom over here. I think you'll appreciate the nice radiator cover in that room as well as the other bedrooms. Oh, Franny's on the bed. Franny, what do you think about this bedroom? This is pretty nice. And this is a nice deep closet in here. Oh, Franny, you're cute. You're a cute baby. You're a cute baby. And the next room, you're going to come and show us this room? Is right over here. This is in the back. Can you get up on that bed, Franny? I don't know. That one might not be, it might be a little harder here. And all the rooms have closets as well. Let's pop downstairs because I do want you to see it's some great space down there, and then we'll head outside. So in the basement, this has a nice workout room. So if someone wants to stay fit, this is a good place to do it. This door leads into the unfinished workshop space over there. And this door is the half bath. So when you're working out, if you need to use the bathroom, it's great. Not super fancy, could use a little fresh coat of paint on the floor, but that's an easy fix, and it's always important for the new homeowner to have their honey-do list. So let's go out to the backyard because I know you are going to absolutely love this. If you're a pool lover, you're going to be thrilled. So as we're in the back of the house, you'll see this multi-level deck space here with nice spots for different groups. I mentioned this is a great house for entertaining and having friends and family over. This is right off the kitchen, that door right there. So you could eat outside. Chill out over here. You've got this beautiful pool. It's not heated, and it is refreshing, but you know what? It's a pool, and it's getting to be summer. And you have this little pool house. So let's check out the inside of the pool house because it's really cute. I kind of feel like I'm on vacation here. So you have the little air conditioning unit, little electric heater over here. So it's a 3-season. You certainly could push it a little bit. And again, this house is coming on the market this week. Showings start at the open house. If you are working with a realtor, give them a call. If not, give me a call. I'm the listing agent for this property. My name is Mark Gupp. My phone number is 207-232-6127. I appreciate you watching. Thank you.